Hey guys, you know how I've always said that the last place you will ever explore is your own backyard? Well, today we're exploring our own backyard.
Yep, we're at Land Between the Lakes. It's a national recreational area. And being between Lake Barkley and Lake Kentucky, which is considered the Great Lakes of the South, there is so much to do here, from fishing, hiking, biking, so many things to do here, and we're going to show you a ton of things right here in our own backyard.
Yeah. So let's explore our yard. So we're at the Elk Bison, which is really cool. I've been here before. There is a gate that goes down with a self-paid kiosk.
If you have a validation, you may scan it now. Otherwise,
It's
payment.
$5 to get in, and they do take credit cards now, which is something new because they didn't used to do that.
Thank you for your purchase.
Then the gate will go up and you're off on your adventure.
If you would like a receipt.
From the early warmth of May to the biting cold of late November gray, seems it shifted in the day, but seasons never last anyway. On the outside, on the outside looking in, wondering if you let me in. On the outside of your love, looking in. The window.
Now, if you're into trails, whether hiking, horseback riding, off-road, and even mountain bikes, there's over 500 miles of trails within the Land Between the Lakes National Recreational Area.
So we want to show you a little bit about the Woodlands Nature Center. We had planned on showing you a little more, but there's a whole lot of Girl Scouts here. It's Girl Scout Day at the center, so we'll show you what we can.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me
Here we got our planetarium. In the planetarium I show movies, and after the end of the movie I will do a short star show. We have a schedule right here. Adults $7, kids 4 to 12, $4.50, 4 and under are free.
Okay, and the show consists of?
My favorite is Firefall, which is comets and asteroids hitting things. Lots of explosions. It's like a Michael Bay action movie. And of course after that I would do a short star show.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I did want to point out, with all the campsites here, all the boondocking campsite, all the U.S. forestry sites, they do have dump stations, and right on the other side is a couple of, we saw a couple of potable water stations. So if you're out boondocking, they're taking care of you here.
So one of the things you really don't want to miss when you come to Land Between the Lakes is their 1800s Homeplace.
Yep, the 1850 farm is an example of a farm and the lifestyle of a middle-class family back in that time frame.
There are at least 11 buildings, maybe a few more, we're not for sure, and animals.
Yep.
And just so you know, you're allowed to bring your pet with you. She's down here attached to my arm.
Let's go.
Four feet on the stripes in the Alabama highway. Out there in the open, just a wish.
Where I grew up, we actually had one house that my sister and I slept in the attic, and you could literally see snow falling through the roof. It was cold. We slept under an electric blanket on high. We saved one.
Always said she was raised like my grandparents.
Our bed looked a little more comfortable than this one.
I could smell.
Just so you know, you would probably starve to death if I had to cook for you on this.
You can do it.
Where's the microwave? Where's the microwave? Where is the microwave? How am I supposed to cook dinner without a microwave?
The pines when I let you in the doorway. Took the seat next to mine like you've been there before. I'm befriended and in a loose I could never stand to lose ya. Get by when you're at my side. I'm befriended and in a lose ya. At the end of my bed, in the palm tree lightning. It was nothing you did, I just felt my low lightning. Now we talk all the time, it's a little one-sided. Always one step ahead, and I'm running behind you. I'm befriended and in a loose I could never stand to lose ya. I get by when you're at my side. I'm befriended and in a lose ya. I'm befriended and in a loose I could never stand to lose ya. I get by when you're at my side. I'm befriended and in a lose ya.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll know when one comes out. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.